Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about engine oil, the life food of your engine. The grade of engine oil indicates its viscosity or thickness. At a different temperature, it usually expressed as a number followed by a letter W followed by another number. For example, 5W30. The first number indicates the viscosity at lower temperature. The lower the number, the thinner the oil. And today, we're going to do a test about this. Okay, so this is the three types of engine oil that we're going to test. First one, 020. Second one, 540. Third one, 1030. Let's start. Okay, so this is how we're going to conduct this test. We're going to put these three types of engine oil inside a fridge overnight under -11 Celsius, and we will see its viscosity tomorrow.
The next day.
So, this is the test result after we put one night inside the fridge. Okay, this one is 1030. See? It becomes very thick. 540. It flows a little bit faster than 1030. See? 020. Wow. We can conclude that the engine oil with the viscosity of 020 is the least viscous and flow more easily than the another two oil. However, it may not provide the best protection in extreme temperatures. On the other hand, 540 and 1030 are thicker and provide better protection in extreme temperature. So, which engine oil is suitable for your car? You should always follow the manufacturer's recommendation for the grade of engine oil for your car. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more car contents. See you in the next one. Bye bye.